So they can take a look and see how much drop the gate had, if any. Let me go on the inside. We can look at the 2x4s, see how they match up. Okay, shut it away. As you can see, I would say there's absolutely no drop whatsoever. You ready to show them how to do the latch?
Yep. You go grab it. Okay.
Okay, now
I put the spring.
Yep, connect the spring to the big piece. Okay. You got it?
Yep. And then make sure this piece sticks through that hole.
Yep.
And then
got your pin.
Yeah. Take this pin.
You have to push it down. Kind of tough to do, guys.
A little snug. Stick that through. Come to this side.
Of course, now if you know a better way of putting this thing together, there's instructions that come with it, or a faster way, then go ahead. And then you're just going to flip that down.
Yep, there you go.
Boom.
It's assembled.
That didn't take a minute. Come on. Yeah. That was pretty easy.
Super fast. So I've got
tons of fasteners. And the GForce hinge, of course, comes with fasteners. Everything you need except for the window. And Shepherd.
So I'll take this, I'll put it fairly centered in this block we put in just to make sure it's not too close to the edges. We don't want it to split.
One of the things about latches, if you're doing it for a pool, some counties have requirements for how high a latch will be off the ground.
Yeah.
And I think in our county, do you know what it is?
Is it 52 or 54? Something like that.
Anyway, you guys want to check and make sure that that latch is set at the proper height.
Yep. So there's no pool here. This is lower than that, but we're good.
We're good to go.
I'll take this pilot bit. Go ahead and hit both of my holes. I like to put it a tiny bit further back just to make sure when I suck this latch on, it pulls it real snug against the picket and everything. Do that. Get my drill.
Now the latch Shepherd is using is called an anti-sag latch. The scissor portion of the latch holds the latch bar inside of it. So when the gate's not in use, the weight of the gate, if there is any, will rest inside the latch.
Gotta find my, here it is. All right, got my socket ready, got my holes pre-drilled, got the latch. I'll hold it up here and sink it in. Do the same thing on the bottom. Now that's securely fastened. Almost done. Just got to take this guy out. The striker bar. Just 2 more fasteners. I'll close the gate. Oh yeah, I like to do it. I'll stick my bar through, make sure it looks level, and I'll just take a pencil and mark the center of both of my holes and pull it out and drill those out. It's just easier for me to do that by myself. Take the bar through.
Shepherd, how long should it take somebody to build one of these gates?
Not
somebody as fast as you are.
I think it's reasonable to say anybody, after you understand the concepts and have done it a couple times, I think it's reasonable to say you could do it in around a half hour. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less if you do it a few times. I think I've done it in just over 20 minutes a couple times. But I think a half hour is reasonable to say you could build a gate in.
As we're getting close to the end of the video, or actually that is the video minus the handle.
Yep, you put a handle on, you can put handles anywhere.
Let's open up the gate and walk through, and let me see what it looks like on the inside.
All right.
So anyway, that's what she looks like. It's beautiful. We can't detect any sag in the gate. The 2x4s are lining up perfectly. Hi, Shepherd. Let me out.
Thanks for watching. It's fun to build. It's quick and easy. I don't think I've ever used a hinge that was more convenient and easy to use than these ones. So They help us out a lot, and we really appreciate you.